Jennifer. Welcome to the Ladies Christmas Tea Party Open Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Co-hosts are May's Design Corner, Dream with Caroline, Debbie Bubbles, and Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these channels listed below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm getting my table all set to have two friends over today for a Christmas tea party. I'm going to start off with setting my plates, and I'm going to set my dessert stand. I'll add these red and white Christmas plates. These will be really great to start off our meal with a salad that I'm going to be serving. These are the holiday cookies that I'll be setting out for dessert. I'm going to be using a cloth napkin, and I'm going to tie each one with a red and white ribbon. This will coordinate so nicely with our tablecloth. I'll be keeping everything nice and simple and fun. I always love decorating my table with gifts for my guests to take home. I have a coordinated gift for each of my friends. I always love to pick a color palette, and this time I've picked red and white. And I always love to pick a design, and of course, this time will be the snowflake. I have a centerpiece in red and white that I'll add to the table. And to coordinate with our plates, I'll add white snowflakes. These beautiful glasses with a snowflake design will be the perfect accent to add to our table today for our Christmas tea party. For my tea party today, I'm going to be serving lunch, and I'm going to serve a wonderful Spanish rice topped with crispy jalapenos, and I'm also going to be making some delicious quesadillas. My friends love Mexican food, so it'll be the perfect thing to have for lunch today. This delicious red cherry 7-Up will be perfect on our table today. It'll look so pretty in the snowflake glasses, and it'll coordinate with everything else on our table today. I know my friends will love it. It is time for me to get busy making the rice and quesadillas. Let's take a look back at everything we've done. We are going to have the best time. I made such a simple lunch because everybody is so busy during the holiday season. We don't want to stress ourselves out by doing too much. So just make something simple when your friends come over. After all, it's about spending time together, not about the meal. I'm so glad you were here. I had such a wonderful time participating in the Ladies Christmas Tea Party Open Collaboration. I would be so happy for you to join us sometime. Don't forget to check out all of the channels listed below, and be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas!